Hello everyone, in this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will create a 2D drawing of a steel bracket. This bracket I have made in a previous exercise of the SolidWorks sheet metal. So let's start. This is the part which I have made in the previous exercise. I will make the 2D drawing for this. For 2D, in order to make a 2D drawing in SolidWorks, there are the different ways. This is the SolidWorks user interface. If I go File, New and Part, Assembly and Drawing Armor, I click this one and OK it, but I am cancelling this one. Or another way is the File, Make Drawing from the part. You can make it from here, this one. Okay, now there are various sheet format. Drawing sheet format comes here. You can select here different sheet format. Suppose I am selecting A3, or you can select the custom sheet. If you select the custom sheet, the sizes you can make as per your requirement, and but in this way you will find a simple blank sheet, no title block, etc. So I am not selecting this one. I am selecting this standard sheet size. Okay, I am selecting this A3 ISO standard size. A3 ISO size, width is the sheet is 420 mm and height is 20 mm. I am clicking this one. Now I am in the drawing environment. This is the sheet format, required sheet format. Now in left hand side you will see there is a sheet, this one. Right click, and if I right click and go in the properties, so this window comes here. So scale you can change from here. Even you can change the name of the drawing sheets. For example, I give it name steel. I gave it name as STEE, steel bracket, CKET. You can give the name of the sheet. Okay, scale you can change here from here. Type of the projection you can change. First, third angle. I am taking third angle projection. Standard sheet side. You can still change the sheet format from here also. Still change. You want to change A2, you can change it. Okay, and apply changes. Apply changes. This one. You will see at the bottom left hand side the sheet name is come steel bracket. Okay, there is another one. You clicking, another sheet will come. Now I'm not clicking this one. Okay, this is the drawing. This is the drawing sheet. Now right hand side, this is a task pane. If you see the right hand side, top side, there is a task pane. Here in the task pane there is a view palette. If I click here, this is the view palette in which all the views comes here. Okay, this is the name of the part. Suppose this part doesn't come here, in the next box you will see 3 dotted lines. You click, then you can bring another part also from here. And I am not clicking. And this is the refresh button, and if you want to cancel it, cancel it. Okay, now I am taking the front view first front view, and I am moving my cursor above and click. Now I am moving cursor below and right, this comes here. Okay, if I move my cursor in diagonal direction, then this view comes here. This is the isometric view. Okay, this one. This and escape key to come out of the views, this one. Okay, this is the main front view, is the parent view. If I drag this view, you will see that another 2 views comes here. Move along with this you will see here, this one. Okay, this is the parent view. Okay, and I am bringing here. This is the isometric. Isometric view. Suppose I am selecting this view, isometric view. You want to change the scale. You can change the scale from here. In the right hand side bottom, you will find this is the scale. These are the predefined scales and user defined also. Suppose you from here you can change it. Suppose you want to change it 1:2. This view becomes small. Okay, I am taking 1:1. This one. this one. Suppose you want to change the particular views. I am selecting isometric view. In the left hand side you will see there is a window comes here. From here you can in this use display style, you can change this one also. Okay, and the use left hand side below also use custom scale. Custom scale, use this one. Suppose you want to small this view, this 0.5, this one. Only this view becomes small, particular view. Any particular view you can change, select it only and use custom scale, this one, and change the view. In this way only particular view will scale from here, but here right hand side you will change the scale and user defined as this is a custom, you can change as per your requirement. Okay, this one. This is the 1:1. Now suppose another view I want to bring it, view palette, task pane. This is the view palette. Now all the view disappears. You click this refresh button, this one, and the view comes again. I am this and select the view and drag it. Now this is linked with another view. So how can I control this one? Select this view, right click, this is the alignment, break alignment. Suppose you want to make it alignment, this one you will see. If you click and right click, alignment, break alignment. In this way you can now move anywhere. Okay, this one. Suppose you want to make it small, right click, you go in the left hand side, you make it small, use custom scale. Okay, I make it, suppose for example 1.5. This view becomes small. Okay, in this way you can make it small also. Particular view you can control from here. Particular view you want to make it, but the whole views you want to control, you can here from here. This is the predefined scale, user defined, you can as per your customize this one. Okay, this is the thing. This is the flatten view. I am clicking here, this one, and this. I am proper arrange this thing. Okay, now one thing more. This isometric view. Suppose I am selecting this flatten view. Okay, and click right click on this one, table. You see at the bottom there is a table and band table, this one. Now this window comes, you will see left hand side ABC 1 2 3. These are the different nomenclature. Okay, and this is the border. This is the outer border line. Suppose I take it 0.35. This is the border line, and inside line you can change it 0.25. You can change it and hit the right button. You will see one table comes here. This is the table, band table for this flatten view. You will see tags A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Here you can see ABC tag here, down band, angle 90 degree, inner radius, or this one you can change it. This is the, if you hover your cursor on this, you will see 4 directional arrow comes. You click it, and you will see another window comes here, bar comes here, and this is the capital letter. If you click it and select this one, and again click this capital letter. You can bold it, you can increase the size of the letter inside like Excel. This way you can control from here also. Okay, and this is the table. You can increase this from here, size of the table in this way. Suppose you want to this in this way you can modify. Suppose right click on any column, upper section, delete column, you can delete it. In this way you can delete it. This one, hover on your cursor and the 4 directional comes here. And in this way you can modify this table also. Okay, this is the band table. You can this one increase, this one in this way, and in this way you can modify this banding table. Okay, now we give the dimension here. How you are seeing the if there are the bending lines here. So these bending lines makes a confusion for creating the dimension. So how can you remove? Right click on this view, top view, and you will see there is a tangent edge. Tangent edge is visible and tangent edge is removed. Now this is the flat view, flat sheet view. In this way also, right click, tangent edges, this tangent edges removed, this one, and select this one and right click and tangent edges removed. Now this is the flat simple sheet. This way you can remove it. And now you select this one, any view, and if you want the hidden line visible, you can click left hand side this window. In the display style you will see this is the hidden line visible. Now the hidden lines comes here. Okay, in the same way, select this view and this one. In display style you will see first second box. This is the display style, and select this view, and this hidden lines comes here. In this way comes here. Okay, and suppose you select isometric view, you want to increase the drawing quality, high quality, you can increase it, and the view becomes more sharp. You will see here in this way. Now we will give the dimensions here. In dimension, we give select the smart dimension. This, select this one and this one. This is the sheet thickness 1.6. Okay. Suppose I click this dimension, and your left hand side in the bottom you will see there is a dimension text. Before here you click suppose THICK, thickness. You can write it. This thickness comes here. In this way you can write the text. Certain gap you want to give it, this one you can give it in this way. Okay. Now smart dimension, you can give the dimension from here to here. This one, this, and this. You can give the dimension from here. This way you can give the dimension of this one. Suppose you dimension give here. This one also you can give. You can give the dimension of here 50 mm. This one you can give. Also here. Smart dimension, this one. This is a 40 mm dimension. This one. Or if you want to give in the smart dimension, you give the chamfer dimension. You want to give chamfer direction. This one, select this one and this one. Smart dimension, there is chamfer direction. This and this one. 5x45 chamfer. Suppose you want to write it here. In the left hand side you will see it in the dimension text. You want to write something. This chamfer, CHANF chamfer. You can give this one. In this way you can write that. This one. You can give the radius also in this way, 20 mm radius, and also you give the inside radius also. This inside radius you can give. Okay. You can give this whole circle. You want to write something here, you can write it here. 4 number of holes, 4 NOS into. You can write it. This one. You can write it 4 number 6 mm dia holes. You can, in this way, you can give the dimension. Okay. You can also give the dimension, smart dimension here. this, and this dimension come here. In this way you can give the dimension here. You can give also this dimension also. mm. This one you can give. This one sheet thickness, you have already given thickness. See this, give this dimension also. This you can give this dimension also. This one, center mark you can give for all holes, for all slots. You can give radial lines, this one, and select the view. This one, center marks comes here. If you select this one, in this way center marks comes here. Annotation, center mark, all holes, this one, and select this one. This center marks comes here. Select this view, this center marks comes here. You will see in this way you want to give the center lines. Radial lines you will show, you can show it. In this way you can give this one. Suppose you want to give the annotation center line, so you select two lines only, this one, this one. This center lines comes here. In this way you can give the dimension also. And smart dimension, you want to give the dimension of this one, 25 mm you can give. This one, radius you can give it, this one, 4 mm you can give. Suppose this one, shift, and this one you can give. Press shift key. This, in order to give the dimension, press shift key and select both the radius, and this way you give it. This one you can give, this one also. This one you can give this dimension, and this one you also give this dimension, 47.5, and also you give the dimension 85 mm, and you can give this dimension also, this and this give 45 mm also, this one. In this way you can give the smart dimension also. In the flatten view you will see A, B, C, D, these are the tags as per this table, bending down, etc. Okay, you can give this dimension also. Here you can give the dimension, this one, and this also. You can give this dimension also, this one. In this way smart dimension can be given. Okay, holes you have also given this one. You can give here radius. This is the top section. This is the top section view. This is the sign already given. This radius you can give here 6 mm. Okay, and the same way you want to give the dimension, select this, shift, and this one you can give the dimension here, this one, or properly arrange this one. In this way all the dimension can give. This one also you can give, this one 25. Okay, suppose you give the dimension, select this, press shift key, and this one you can give the dimension this way. Suppose you want to change suppose you are seeing the there are the zeros point after point. there are the zero you want to avoid the space, so you can go in this one option and document properties and dimensions. You can go here and bottom side trailing zeros, dimensions show, or you can remove it, show. You can also increase the this arrow style. This one you can arrow, this one arrow this style. Suppose you want to this width, arrowhead width you want to increase, suppose 1.3, you want to increase 1.3. 3.3 is the width of the arrowhead. Suppose you want to increase 3.6, you can increase it. And suppose this is the total length increase, suppose I want to give it 7, you can give it and OK it. You will see this, the arrow becomes wide. You will see here, arrow becomes wide here. In this way you can control the arrow, and you can avoid the zeros after point also, this one. Okay. And suppose you select all the dimensions here, select all the dimension here. Okay, and this window comes, you go in the others, you will see others, and here is the format. If you select the format, you will see all the line becomes black, this one, and this way you can comes here. Suppose you want in annotation, there is a note, note selecting, and this box comes and write it here. Suppose I write it front view, FRONT, front view, IEW, front view, this one. Select it, increase size, suppose 20 mm, increase. Letter you can select it, suppose G, Gabriola, I selected Gabriola. This one you can change the color from here. Suppose I take it red color, this one, and make it bold here, this one, and OK. This comes here, view, front view. Okay. And suppose you want to duplicate it, select this one and control key, this, drag it, this one. Okay. Again select it, drag it, this one. This comes here. Again select it, drag it. Just select and control key, drag it. You will copy it. And now double click on this one, and this is the front view. Above. This is the front view actually. This is the front view. This is the top view. Okay, because we are making in the third angle. This is the top view. Top view. And this is the side view. Select it in this way, side view. Okay, this way. And this is the flatten view. Select it, write it, flatten, 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 this one. You can write it view, VIEW, and select it. I am selecting the font Gabriola, size 20. Suppose you want to change the color, you can change it bold and hit the right button. In this way you can select it, red color, this one, OK, this one, and select this flatten view. In this way you can make this one. Select arrow size I have changed here. Okay. Suppose in this command, upper section, if you right click toolbars, you will find a line format tool. If you click, this toolbar will come at left side, bottom side, you will see here. left side. This is the left bottom side. You will find line format tool. Okay, suppose you selected this center line and change the color. Suppose you want to change red color, you can change it. Okay, and hit this button, this one, this and this. This red becomes okay. In this way, you can, from here you can change the right color for this thing. Okay, this one, line format too. I think I have given the sufficient dimension. You can more you give yourself, and these are the different views. Okay, arrow I have explained also. Suppose you want to edit this to title block. Use for this, you right click in the open space, right click and edit sheet format. Now the view disappears, all the view disappears. Suppose you want to write it here, title block, title. Suppose you want to write it, double click on this thing, you will write steel bracket BRACKET. You can write it, select it, give the color, blue color, for example. Here you can give the okay, and this you can give the suppose you want to give G Gabriola. Here this one you can select it, and this one and bold it. Okay, and bold it. In this way, come letter size is 26 and hit the right button. This one is steel bracket come. Later when you can position it, this one, you suppose you want to write something here, then you select note, again right lift here, for example CAD KNOWLEDGE center SCENTRE. So you write it, select it, and G Gabriola, this one 20 mm, and B bold letter, this one red. You can write it and hit this OK button, and then hit right button. In this way, later on you can position it properly. In this way you can this one, you can manage it here also. And this way you can manage the edit sheet format. When you editing the sheet format, all the view disappear. Now in order to come out this edit sheet format, right click here and come edit sheet. You click edit sheet, or right side top you will see this icon. You click on this one, you will come. Now this comes here. Now if you want to increase the more visuality, then you can give up option and document property, line font. You can you can change from here thickness 0.35, hidden edges you can change this one 0.25, sketch curves 0.25. You can change from here also. Construction and tangent edges you want to improve, this one for example 0.25. Hidden tangent, this you can increase from here. And okay, and this is the OK button, this one. In this way you can increase the sharpness of the drawing also. Okay, this one you can control this one. I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe this channel. You please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.